Okay, here we have sine rule, multiplication, and division. So let's take the sine rule for multiplication and division. We have done that of addition and subtraction. So let's take multiplication and division. So if you have two signs that are the same and you're multiplying it by each order, you're going to get a positive sign. So that's leave us with a minus sign multiplied by a minus sign is going to give us a plus sign. So if you have, for example, you have plus multiply by plus. The two signs are the same, so you're going to get plus. So, but when they are different, you're multiplying two different signs together, you're going to get a negative sign. So it doesn't matter which one comes first, either a plus multiplied by a minus is still the same, it's going to be minus. So in other words, minus multiplied by minus give us plus, and plus multiplied by plus give us plus, and minus multiplied by plus give us minus, and plus multiplied by minus also give us minus. So these are the rules that you need to remember. So what that leaves us with is this. If I have minus 2 multiplied by minus 3, what's it going to be? So I'll take the sign first. 2 multiplied by 3 is going to give me 6. And I'm going to say the minus multiply by minus, then I'll get plus. So I can leave it as 6 or I can write plus 6. So let's give the second one a shot. If I have minus 4 brackets minus 2, a bracket means multiplication. This is as good as writing minus 4 multiplied by minus 2. So in this case, 2 times 4 is 8, and minus times minus is plus. So I'll get a positive number. Now, if I also have minus 4 brackets 3, now in this case, I'm having minus 4 multiplied by plus 3, positive 3. So let's check out this. 4 times 3 give me 12. Now the sign here is negative and the sign here is positive, though it's not indicated. Don't forget, I told you when the number is positive, you can decide not to indicate it. So there is a plus here, a positive. So you're multiplying a minus times a plus. And according to the rules, you're going to get minus. So let's take this, the minus. So let's assume we have minus 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 1. So let's see what this is going to be. So we can take them 2 in pairs. So this 2 and this 2. So let's try this first 2. 2 times 5 give me 5. And minus 2 multiplied by a positive number is going to give us negative, minus. So similarly, I'm going to say that 3 multiplied by 1, that gives us 3, right? So, and I'm going to say a plus 3 plus multiplied by minus, I'll get minus, right? And I put the multiplication sign as usual at the center. So in this case, I have 5 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 3 will give 15. And minus multiply minus will give us plus. So you can decide not to write that. Is that okay? So let's take in another one. So we can have 3 multiplied by minus 2. And what's that? The signs are different. So 3 minus this give us 6. And a plus multiplied by a minus will give us minus. So this is sign rule being applied. And I want you to try this and put your answer in the comment section. Minus 2 bracket 3. That's the first one. And the second one, minus 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 1. So I want you to put that in the comment section and tell me what the value is. Thank you.